Hello, my name's Amanda, and I'm going to be showing you how to build a Serenade messaging campaign. There's a few things that you have to have on your computer, so just go through and make sure that you have all these things before completing the message campaign tutorial. You're going to want to make sure that you're using Mozilla Firefox. You want to make sure that you have Java downloaded and enabled on your computer, and you also want to add the serenade.playnetwork.com to your site exceptions list. So if you are missing any of these things, there's another video that you can watch in the support center that is titled Setting Up Your Computer for Serenade. So just head over and watch that video first. That can take you through getting all the settings and stuff set up on your computer. So if you have Firefox installed on your machine, you can go ahead and open it, and you're going to go to serenade.playnetwork.com, and you're going to type in your username and your password and click the blue submit. So your dashboard is going to load, and you're going to see all of your information on here. You're going to see some tabs across the top. We have account details, locations, music, messages, campaigns, and reports, and we're going to go ahead and use the messages tab. And then you're going to see here at the bottom it says new. We're going to go ahead and click on that. The next box that you're going to see is the upload disclaimer, and this is basically just saying that you're agreeing that you're not going to upload any content that you don't own the copyright to. So we're just going to go ahead and click agree. Now when the box pulls up, you're going to see a white box. You might see the Java logo come up with the scroll. It just means that it's running. And then see on mine I'm getting a security warning. This is just my computer letting me know that it's accessing something that was restricted. So we're just going to go to the bottom and click I accept the risk and want to run this application, which is just going to allow the plugin to run on Firefox. So we're going to click run, and you're going to see the Java logo loading. Okay, so now that it's loaded, you're going to see where it says select or drag and drop the file to upload. So now what you're going to want to do is drag and drop whatever audio files that you're wanting to use for your messages, and you're going to drag those over to the upload messages box. And this is just whatever MP3 files that you're going to want to use for your campaign. You're going to want to make sure that you listen to each message and then hit save and approve to make them eligible for your campaign. So you're going to see that the one that we just uploaded says inactive, and we want to make sure that the other ones that we uploaded also say inactive. So you'll see that the Kevin Professional says pending and the Mary Relax says pending. So what we're going to do is click on Kevin Professional, and when that loads, at the bottom you're going to want to click preview. It's going to pull up a little box and you can listen to the message. Once you've approved that, you can click the X and then just click save and approve. And then click message, saved and approved. You can click OK and click save again. So you're going to want to make sure you do that to everyone that you upload, or else you won't be able to use them in the campaign. So the next thing that you're going to want to do is to create the actual campaign. So you're going to click the campaign tab. And then when that comes up, you're going to want to go to the bottom and click new. Okay, now when this comes up, you're going to see campaign name. You can name this whatever you want, so I'm just going to name it Dynamic Media. And then you're going to go to the bottom in the available messages. You're going to see the ones that you just added. You can just highlight whichever ones that you're wanting to add, and then you can click the add with the arrows to send it over to the selected messages. If you want to send all of them over, you can click add all. So I'm just going to click add, and those are going to go, see now they show up in the selected messages area. So I'm going to click next. Okay, so now you're going to get the edit campaign box that pops up, and this is where all your settings are going to happen. So this is where you're going to be able to configure your campaign to personalize it to your needs. So just to go over the different options that are in this category, locations is going to determine the locations where the campaign is going to run. All your playback settings determine how often your message groups will play, in the order in which the messages will play, and how many messages will play each time a group plays. So you have all those settings there, and then your day parting determines whether messages will play all day or during specific times of the day. And then your reoccurrence determines the date range in which the campaign will run and what days of the week it will run. And then your display options allows you to color code campaigns for easy recognition. So if you have a lot of different campaigns set up, you'll be able to really, easily see what you're looking for in your dashboard. And then you're just going to go to the bottom and click the blue save. And then once that loads, you're all set. And you'll see in the campaigns list that your new campaign will show up. If you set a color code for it, it's going to show up there. So this is just, you truly do have full control over everything that goes on here in the messages and campaigns section. Thank you for watching, and also remember, if you want to watch any other tutorial videos or get any other tips, you can always visit our Dynamic Media website at www.dynamicmedia-us.com, and you can visit the support section. We have some other videos up there and some tutorials and stuff that you can take a look at.